Question 83. Examine the triangles below for each solve for x and name which tool you used. Show all work. Okay, so for these, I'm going to help you find out the method, and then I'm going to give you the answer. But I need you to show me the work on your sheet. I will be checking for that when I collect your packets. So once again, I'm going to use the flowchart for these. That's your best way to figure out how to solve. So if you have your flowchart in your notebook, go ahead and open it to it. I'll kind of walk you through where you should be looking. So for question number one, question letter A, first thing is it a right triangle? Yes, it is. Next question, are we missing a side or missing an angle? I'm going to be looking for sides. And the last question, do we know one side or do we know two sides? And I only know one side. So this is going to be our basic trig function. So we have to figure out which function it's going to be. That's my opposite, that's my adjacent, so this is going to be a tangent problem. So we are going to have the tangent of 40 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, so equal to 9 over x. I put it over 1. Go ahead and tell me what is the tangent of 40. Once again, make sure your calculator's in the correct mode. Should be in degree mode. My freshman probably reset it, so if you get a kind of a weird answer, probably means you have it in the weird mode. You should get 0.84. So you'll get 0.84 over 1 equals 9 over x. Then we cross multiply. 0.84 times x. And 9 times 1. And last step is we need to divide by whatever's in front of the x. So divide by 0.84. We get x is about 10.71. 10.71. All right, question B. So once again, if we're checking our flow chart, is this the right triangle? No, it's not. Do we have two sides and two angles? Yes, we do. So this is going to be a law of sines problem. So I want to set up the problem. So we're going to have sine of 63 over x is equal to, but unfortunately I need to know what this angle is so that I can do the sine of that angle over 8. But I can do triangle sum theorem, and I can do 180 minus 63 minus 52, since those are the other angles in the triangle, and I get 65. So I know this angle must be 65 degrees. So I want to do the sine of 65 here. Right, now that you have the problem set up, I want you guys to solve this one. I'm just going to give you an answer. So in this problem, you get x is approximately 7.82. Once again, I know I didn't show my work, but you need to show your work. I just want to put the answer there so you can check yourself. And last problem. Question C, do we have a right triangle? No, we do not. Do we have two sides and two angles? No, we do not. Do we have three sides and one angle? Yes, we do. So three sides and one angle. So this is going to be a law of cosines problem. So first of all, we got to say that this is my angle C. And then just complete the other sides. Then we can set up the problem. So once again, this is in your notebook if you don't remember the equation. It's going to be 12 squared plus 15 squared minus 2 times 12 times 15 times the cosine of 68. And that's going to all equal x squared. So go ahead, pause the video, finish this problem up, and then I will put the answer, but you guys need to show your work. All right, so x in this problem is about 15.36. Once again, make sure you show your work there.